So same last time, whatever URL I use in that same URL only. Okay, today is the class 6. Class 6 SAP Basis course, class 6. So preparing an installation. This is one of the unit. In this unit, different lessons is there. Different lessons is there. Preparing an installation in that unit, SWPM. Now we want to discuss about SWPM. That is the topic. So that lesson, entire lesson topic is SWPM only. Software provisioning manager. Shortcut we called as SWPM. Who are learning SAP Basis course? Every person compulsory they want to learn about SWPM. Compulsory who are learning SAP Basis course. Everyone compulsory they want to learn about SWPM because it is very, very important. That's why compulsory we want to learn SWPM. What is SWPM? SWPM is tool. Tool means in our language it is called as product or it is called as software. So now we are discussing about one of the software. That software name is SWPM, Software Provisioning Manager. URL is https://support.sap.com/sl toolset. So here what they're telling, SWPM is a tool that provides easier and more reliable software provisioning. So when we use SWPM, we open software provisioning. SWPM is the successor of the product and release. What is SWPM? They ask you. SWPM is a tool that provides easier and more reliable software provisioning. That's enough. Now I show you clearly. I'm entering that URL support.sap.com/sl toolset. This is the URL. Now scroll down. Here, download software provisioning manager is there. Click this one. Okay, so you want to open SWPM, compulsory you enter SUser ID. After entering SUser ID, scroll down, click continue. You want to enter that SUser ID password. After entering that SUser ID password, scroll down, click continue. SWPM, two versions is there. SWPM, two versions is there. SWPM 1.0, SWPM 2.0. Two versions is there. In interview, they ask you, what they ask you means, what are the difference between Software Provisioning Manager 1.0 and Software Provisioning Manager 2.0? Compulsory, we want to know. So, SWPM 1.0. Click here, SWPM 1.0. In SWPM 1.0, two types of files is there. 70 swpm.sar, swpm.sar. In SWPM 1.0, two types of files is there. 70 swpm.sar, swpm.sar. Two types of files is there in Software Provisioning Manager 1.0. And every operating system separate file. Here, AX64-bit is there. 697. File number last is 697. Here I selected Windows 7079. Now here I selected Linux. Linux on x86 64-bit, 701. So that means SWPM, every operating system separate file. Every operating system SWPM file is separate. So now here two types of SWPM is there. SWPM and one more important point, it is the SAR file. SWPM is the SAR file. SAR file. Okay, now I show. This is SW in Software Provisioning Manager 1.0. This is SWPM.SAR. Here we want to learn. What we want to learn? When we use this SWPM.SAR file, when we use this 70 SWPM.SAR file, we want to load that one. Okay. Now I'm showing this is in Software Provisioning Manager 1.0, this is SWPM.SAR file. In Software Provisioning Manager 1.0, this is the SWPM.SAR file. Now, when I use this SWPM.SAR file means when I want to I told you. SAP S for HANA Java 2021, 2022, 2023, 2025. Okay. So in Java here is there. SAP S4HANA Java 2025, SAP S4HANA Java 2023, SAP S4HANA Java 2022, SAP S4HANA Java 2021. 2020, 1909, 1809, 1709 is dead. It is expired, dead. Okay, so install. I want to install SAP S4HANA Java 2021 or 2022 or 2023 or 2025. I want to use swpm.sar file. Not only install, system copy. System copy, not only system copy. Dual stack split is not possible now. System rename. System rename and uninstall also. So I want to install or uninstall SAP S4HANA Java 2021 or 2022 or 2023 or 2025 by using swpm.sar file in Software Provisioning Manager 1.0. Not only install and uninstall, system copy, system rename also. In this training, we learn what is system copy, system rename. We do uninstall, install, and everything. On the time, we got it clearly about SWPM. Now, okay. S4HANA Java, okay. SAP NetWeaver 7.5 and SAP NetWeaver is for ABAP 7.5 too. SAP NetWeaver is for ABAP 7.52. In shortcut, we called as NetWeaver is ABAP 7.52. So this one also. So NetWeaver ASAP 7.52 also we want to install, uninstall, system copy, system rename by using Software Provisioning Manager 1.0 only, SWPM. SWPM.sar. Okay. SAP NetWeaver 7.5. SAP NetWeaver 7.5. Okay, now SAP NetWeaver 7.5 also. In NetWeaver, only that product version is there. SAP NetWeaver 7.5. In this is innovation package. NetWeaver ASAP app 7.5 to only one version is there, innovation package. In SAP NetWeaver, only SAP NetWeaver 7.5 version only is there. So we want to install system copy, system rename, uninstall SAP NetWeaver 7.5 by using swpm.sar file in swpm 1.0. And this release is 752. And this release is 750. And this release is also 750 highest. Okay. Now, in SAP ERP 6.0 EHP is there, and EHP4 for that one also is there. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP8, SAP CRM 7.0 EHP4, SAP SCM 7.0 EHP4, SAP SRM 7.0 EHP4. Okay, so not only this one, SAP ERP 6.0 EHP7 also. And SAP CRM 7.0 EHP3, SAP SCM 7.0 EHP3, SAP SRM 7.0 EHP3. This we want to, so this one. So SAP ERP 6.0 EHP8, EHP7, or SAP CRM 7.0 EHP4, EHP3, SAP SCM SRM 7.0 EHP4, EHP3. We want to install means we use SWPM 1.0 swpm.sar file. Install, uninstall, system copy, system rename. Finally, SAP Solution Manager 7.2 is there. SAP Solution Manager 7.2. This release is 740 release. This release is 740 release. That one also install, system copy, system rename, uninstall. 740 release. And EHP8 release is 750. And EHP7 release is 740. Here, what I'm telling means, here we saw 752, 740, 750, 752 releases we want to install. In intro, simply you want to tell means what the difference between SWPM 1.0 like that they ask means. Below 752 release, we want to install, uninstall, system rename, system copy means we want to use SWPM 1.0. SWPM 1.0 below 752 release. Okay. So when I use SWPM 1.0, in that SWPM 1.0, when I use 70 swpm.sar file. So here compulsory every SAP basis student want to learn. Then I already told two types of versions is there. SWPM, Software Provisioning Manager 1.0 is there. Software Provisioning Manager 2.0 is there. Then I use Software Provisioning Manager 1.0. In Software Provisioning Manager 1.0, two files is there. When I use swpm.sar file. When we are using SAP S/4HANA Java 2021, 2022, 2023, or 2025, or SAP NetWeaver ASAP 7.52, or SAP NetWeaver 7.5, or SAP ERP 6.0 EHP8 or EHP7, or SAP CRM, SEM, SRM 7.0 EHP4 or EHP3, Our SAP Solution Manager 7.2, we want to install, uninstall, system copy, system rename. On that time, we use swpm.sar file in swpm.sar file in 70 swpm, sorry, in Software Provisioning Manager 1.0 swpm.sar file. Now, in Software Provisioning Manager 1.0, 70 swpm.sar file is there. Now we see when we use 70 swpm.sar file in Software Provisioning Manager 1.0. So here I want to close this Software Provisioning Manager. Close. It is closed? No, it is not fully closed. What we want to do, we open this system tray. Open, show hidden files. Click this icon. Here, this is the icon, SWPM icon. Right click, click Exist, and click OK. On that time only, it is fully closed. Like this, we want to close the Software Provisioning Manager 1.0. Now, so here after downloading SWPM, we got only one file. That file name is .sar file. Okay, here we saw. This is the file. After downloading, for example, this is 70 swpm.sar file. Okay. Here I put another file, SAP car. Here I put another file, SAP car. That is the file. Now I am showing by using SAP car. By using SAP car. SAP car also tool. By using SAP car, we want to extract swpm.sar file. By using SAP car, we want to extract swpm.sar file. SAP car is tool, software. SAP car is tool. It is software. Now I show. So here I created one folder. Folder name is 70 swpm.sar. I created one folder. In that folder, these two files is there. Here we saw. I created one folder. Folder name is 70 swpm.sar file. 70 swpm folder name. Double click. In that folder, I put SAP car file and 70 swpm.sar file. Now I show how to extract 70 swpm.sar file by using SAP car. Click here. Type CMD and press enter key. Command prompt is open in that particular folder. Now, first I want to type entire this name, SAP car name. First, what I want to do, I want to type entire name of SAP car. So here first letter is different. Simply what we do, press S letter on your keyboard and press tab key on your keyboard. Okay, no need to type enter everything. Now give space minus SVF in small letters, give space. Now type this 70 swpm.sar. Simply press 7 letter on your keyboard and press tab key on your keyboard. And this is the command. SAP car.exe space minus XVF space 70 swpm.sar. Enter. It is extracting. Now here we are getting files. Like this way, we want to extract SWPM by using SAP car tool. Okay, extraction is completed. Now here they're telling extraction is completed. Now type exist in small letters and enter to close the command prompt. After extraction, scroll down. Here, latest SAP entity is there. Double click that SAP entity and close the folder. Click yes, close the folder. Now software provisioning manager is opening. Now software provisioning manager is opening. Now click yes. Here, before installation, here another important point. Before installation in Windows OS, administrator user only available. After installation in Windows OS, SID ADM user also available. Like that, before installation in Linux OS, root user only available. After installation in Linux OS, SID user also available. But here very, very important point. Whenever we are opening SWPM means we use administrator user in Windows OS, or we use root user in Linux OS. That is the rule. Here I am logged in SID-ADM account. Here I logged in SID-ADM account. Actually, here administrator is there, SID-ADM is there. I already installed SAP software here. That's why here I have SID-ADM account is there. But when we are using SWPM means we use administrator only in Windows. In Linux, root user only. But here I am opening, but I am not installing. No, that's why just I'm showing purpose. I'm using SID-ADM account. Okay, now it is in Software Provisioning Manager 1.0, it is 70 swpm.sar file. So here, this one is aspect, this one is aspect, this one is aspect. Only this one only is available. This one only is available. Okay, ERP 6.0. So for what purpose we use this Software Provisioning Manager 1.0 70 swpm.sar. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 6, it is 731 release. EHP 2, 2, 2, only this one. When we use software provisioning manager 1.0 70 SWPM dots or file means SAP ERP 6.0 EHP6 or SAP CRM 7.0 EHP2 or SAP SCM 7.0 EHP2 or SAP SRM 7.0 EHP2. We want to install system copy, system rename, uninstall. For that purpose only, we use 70 SWPM dots or file in software provisioning manager 1.0. In olden days, they use this everything. They use this one, this one, this one, but these are all dead. These are all softwares dead. I already previous classes I already told. Only nowadays we want to use 70 SWPM dots or file means we use SAP Business Suite 7i 2011 for that purpose only. So SAP Business Suite 7i 2011 is there for that purpose only. In that here SAP CRM 7.0 EHP2, SCM SRM 7.0 EHP2, SAP ERP 6.0 EHP6. Only that product versions only is available for installation, system copy, system rename, uninstall. For that purpose only, we use 70 SWPM dots or file in Software Provisioning Manager 1.0. 731, when we want to install 731 release, when we want to install 740 release, 740 release, 740 release, when we want to install 750 release and 752. Nowadays, 731, 740, 750, 752. In interview, they ask you difference between Software Provisioning Manager 1.0, Software Provisioning Manager 2.0. They ask this, you simply tell we want to install or uninstall system copy, system rename of 731 release, 740 release, 750 release, 752 release. Means we want to use Software Provisioning Manager 1.0. Like that we want to tell. Or otherwise, you know the product versions means we want to tell. SAP S/4HANA Java 2021, 2022, 2023, 2025, SAP NetWeaver 7.5, SAP Solution Manager 7.2, and SAP ERP 6.0, EHP8, EHP7, EHP6, and SAP CRM, SCM, SRM 7.0, EHP4, EHP3, EHP2. We want to install, uninstall, system rename, system copy by using SWPM 1.0. SAP S/4HANA Java 2021, 2022, 2023, 2025, SAP NetWeaver 7.5, SAP Solution Manager 7.2, SAP ERP 6.0, EHP8, SAP ERP 6.0, EHP7, SAP CRM 7.0, EHP4, SAP CRM 7.0, EHP3, SAP CRM 7.0, EHP2, SRM, finally SCM. Okay, for this purpose, so these are all install, system copy, system rename, uninstall. So we use SWPM 1.0. Nowadays, when we use SWPM 1.0 means for SAP S/4HANA Java 2021, 2022, 2023, 2025, SAP NetWeaver 7.5, SAP Solution Manager 7.2, and SAP ERP 6.0, EHP 8, EHP 7, EHP 6 also. And SAP CRM, SAM, SRM 7.0, EHP 4, EHP 3, EHP 2. So we want to install system copy, system rename, uninstall. For that purpose, we use Software Provisioning Manager 1.0. In Software Provisioning Manager 1.0, two types of files is there. That is swpm.sar and 70 swpm.sar. In above, I clearly told when we use swpm.sar file, when we use 70 swpm.sar file. So this is very important, Philo. Yeah, every basis student, when we are learning SAP basis course, it is very important. Every SAP basis administrator compulsory want to learn. Why? Suppose I told in your laptop, you are going to install SAP ERP 6.0 EHP8. On that time, you want to know which SWPM file we want to use. In your laptop, we are going to install SAP ERP 6.0 EHP6. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP6 70 SWPM.sar file. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP8 is SWPM.sar file. So that's why compulsory we want to know which SWPM I want to use for install or uninstall or system rename for system copy, which SWPM I want to use. That information we are learning here. Compulsory, we want to know before starting installation, every basis administrator, every SAP basis student, compulsory we want to learn which SWPM, inside that SWPM 1.0, what are the options is there? Inside SWPM 2.0, what are the options is there? We want to learn compulsory. Now, I show you SWPM 2.0. SWPM 1.0 is completed. Now, SWPM 2.0 we want to learn. So here, SWPM 2.0. Only one file. SWPM 2.0, only one file. SWPM.sar, this file also. Here Linux 424, Windows 212. Every operating system separate file. So before downloading this file, you want to select your operating system and download this file. File name is swpm.sar. In Software Provisioning Manager 2.0, only one file is there. That is swpm.sar file. Same by using SAP card tool only, we want to extract. This is Software Provisioning Manager 2.0. Here, when we use this Software Provisioning Manager 2.0, SAP S/4HANA Server 2021, 2022, 2023, 2025. For that purpose, so same. Nowadays, I am telling in previous Old versions also is there, but nowadays so many versions is dead, no? SAP S/4HANA Server 2025, 2023, 2022, 2021. Like that, SAP S/4HANA Foundation also. SAP S/4HANA Foundation, same version. So here, I already told one important point. What is that important point? In SAP S/4HANA Server, SAP S/4HANA Foundation is there. But you want to install separately SAP S/4HANA Foundation only means that one also is possible. Okay, that I already told you, no? Okay, ABAP system, S/4HANA, SAP S/4HANA 2025. Okay, here you saw. When we are installing SAP S/4HANA 2025, we got SAP S/4HANA Server and SAP S/4HANA Foundation 2025. So when we install SAP S/4HANA Server 2025, in that we got SAP S/4HANA Foundation also. But we want to install SAP S/4HANA Foundation separate system means it is also possible to install SAP S/4HANA Foundation in separate system. In my YouTube already open video is there. I already teach my students how to install SAP S/4HANA Foundation 2023. Video is there. It's open in YouTube. Everyone watch that one. Publicly, I put that file is there. SAP S/4HANA Foundation installation. Previous students, I already teach that one how to install. So SAP S/4HANA Server, SAP S/4HANA Foundation, and not only that one, BW HANA, SAP BW HANA. Now we want to check once that SAP BW HANA, which versions is available. I want to check. So SAP S/4HANA Foundation, this versions only is available nowadays. SAP S/4HANA Server, this versions only is possible nowadays. Now we want to check BW HANA. BW HANA. Okay, BW for Hana. Okay, this one is there. BW for Hana 2023 is there. 2023, 2030 is the last date. We check BW for Hana 2021. It is also is there. Nowadays, only SAP BW for Hana 2023, 2021. These two versions is there. Nowadays, in BW Hana 2023, 2021. Okay, here 2021 is expired on next year end. 2021 is expired on next year end. 2023 is expired on 2030. So here clearly what you understanding, after 2030 is completed, there is no any SAP software, only SAP S4HANA software only is available. Remaining all softwares are dead. Okay, when we use SWPM 2.0, when I use SWPM 2.0, in SWPM 2.0, only one file is there, that is swpm.sar file. By using SAP car only, we want to extract that swpm.sar file. When I use SWPM 2.0, when I want to install or uninstall or system copy or system rename of SAP S4HANA Server 2021 or 2022 or 2023 or 2025, when I want to install system copy, system rename, and uninstall of SAP S4HANA Foundation 2021, 2022, 2023, 2025, when I want to install system copy, system rename, or uninstall of SAP BW HANA 2023, 2021, on the time I want to use SWPM 2.0. So here same, we want to close means close. It is not fully closed. Click here, right click this icon and click exist and click OK. Same here also, by using SAP car only. Here also what I done by using SAP car only, we want to extract this SWPM 2.0. After download is completed, we got only SWPM 2.0 only. SWPM 2.0 file. After download is completed, we got only SWPM 2.0 file only. By using SAP car only, same process. Click here, type CMD and enter. Command prompt will be open. In command prompt, first we want to type this name, SAP car name. First letter is common. Second letter is different. That's why type SA and press tab key. And give space. Before I told SVF no, now SF. That one also we use. Use space. Now here, first letter is common. Simply we type SW and press tab key. And this is the command. sapcar.exe space -xf space swpm.sar and press enter. So here files are extracting. Before we use svf.sar file, svf, before here I enter svf, on the time they show extraction file list. When I use xf, they don't show like that. That's the difference between, in that command, that is the difference between xvf and xf. Extraction is completed. Now type exist and enter to close the command prompt. So after extracting swpm.sar file by using SAP car tool, latest SAP entity is there. After extracting swpm.sar file by using SAP car tool, latest swpm is there. Double click latest SAP entity. In swpm, by using swpm, click S. By using SWPM, we are opening Software Provisioning Manager. So after extracting swpm.sar file, in that extracted files, SAP entity is there. When we double click that SAP entity, Software Provisioning Manager will be open. By using that Software Provisioning Manager only, we want to install, uninstall, system copy, system rename of any product version. Any product version, we want to install, uninstall, system copy, system rename by using software provisioning manager. So click yes here. So here we want to enter correct details only. Suppose here visa, I enter the wrong credentials now. Now what I am doing, I am entering wrong credentials. Click sign in. When we enter wrong credentials, it will not open. So correct credentials, correct username and password we enter on that time only, it will be open. Enter correct credentials here. Otherwise, it will not open software provisioning manager. Now I enter correct details, it is opening. So this is about SWPM, Software Provisioning Manager. So that is about in that lesson, in that unit, in preparing an installation. This is the unit name, preparing an installation. In that unit, installing an SAP system using Software Provisioning Manager, SWPM is there. It is the one of the lesson. In that unit, this is the lesson one. That lesson one is completed in that unit. This is about Software Provisioning Manager. Clearly, that's enough about SWPM. Now, in that unit, next lesson is installing an SAP system using SAP Entity. So now here in this unit, different options we want to know. First of all, we want to learn about SAP Entity. First of all, in that lesson, we want to know about SAP Entity. Okay, so what is this SAP Entity? I already told clearly. Before lesson, I already told. Where this SAP Entity is available in SWPM. In SWPM is there. In Windows operating system, we want to use administrator to open SAP Entity. In Linux operating system, we want to use root user to open SAP Entity. Here, very important point. What is that important point, miss? Double click this PC, go to C drive, program files. Okay, so here, that one only they told here. To start steps to start SAP Entity. They're telling. So steps to start SAP Entity. To start SAP Entity for Windows on a single host. So in Windows operating system, you want to start SAP Entity means log on to your host as a user who is a member of the local administrator. So you want to log in with administrator user only in Windows operating system. After go to SWPM folder. In SWPM folder, SAP Entity is there. In Windows operating system, you log in with administrator account. So in Windows operating system, you double click SAP Entity. That one only they're telling. So here they show the command how to extract swpm.surfer by using SAP card. They show the command. Here they clearly they're telling, do not use the user SID ADM for the installation procedures. When we want to install, you did not use SID ADM account. So clearly they're telling you use administrator account only to open software provisioning manager. Now here we want to learn about SAP Entity _ instdr folder. Now we want to know about SAP INST _ INSTDIR. We want to know about that one. SAP INST _ INSTDR. That is the name. Okay. So what is that? SAP INST _ INSTDR. What is that? Means installation directory. installation directory. So installation folder here is there. In which location? In C drive, in program files, here is there. SAP entity underscore instdr. Where? In which location that files is available? In C drive program files. In that location, that files is there. So installation directory. Now we want to know. So when we open that SWPM software provisioning manager is there, no? Before, suppose you install fresh OS. You install fresh OS in your laptop. Okay. You install fresh OS in your laptop, all the students. After installing, you go C drive program files. You did not found this folder. You go C drive program files folder. We did not found this folder. SAP underscore instdr. When we get that folder, when we open software provisioning manager, when we started installation, on that time only that folder will be created. Here I already installed SAP software here. That's why this folder is there. Double click this folder. I installed NetWeaver 7.5. That's why they're showing NW 7.5 release is 750. Double click. My database is MS SQL Server. That's why MSS folder is there. Oracle means Oracle folder will be there. Double click. I done install. Double click. So standard system. STD means standard. Double click. ABAP system I installed. Double click. So this is the files. Okay. Here another system is there. Another system is there. Double click this PC. C drive. Program files. SAP INST underscore INSTDR. NetWeaver 7.5. MS SQL Server. Install. Standard system. But here it is not ABAP. It is Java. That's why here they are not showing ABAP. Here for Java system, they are not showing ABAP. For Java system, they show like this. For ABAP system, they show different way. ABAP system. Here ABAP is there. For Java system, that ABAP folder is not there. So SAP underscore instdr, NetWeaver 7.5, MS SQL Server, installation, standard system, ABAP. NetWeaver 7.5, MS SQL Server, install, standard system, ABAP is not there, means it is Java system. That is the meaning. There is no ABAP. ABAP is not there, means it is Java system. Particularly, they're telling ABAP means it is ABAP system. A is Java system, A is ABAP system. So when installing time, this folder will be created. Here we saw in that folder files, different folders is there, files is there. When installing time, you did not change any folder name. Okay. When installing is running, on the time I changed this folder name. No, we did not done that one. We don't change any folder name and we did not delete any folder files. Why? When installing time, we delete this folder or inside the folder files, anything we delete when installing time means we did not get successful installation. We get error. We recommended that you keep all the installation directories until the system is completely and correctly installed. That one only they're telling clearly. When installing time, you did not delete this folder. This is the installation directory. Inside the folders files also, we did not delete or change. We done like that means what will be happen means we did not get successful installation. That is the meaning. And in installation time, temporary directory is also created. TMP, dr like that. Here we saw in installation time, I show installation directory, USR, SAP, SID. Here we saw temporary directory, TMP. We did not delete that temporary directory. By this name, any directory we created, by this name, any directory will be created. We did not delete temporary directory also. If SAP entity cannot find a temporary directory, the installation terminate. They stop the installation with this error. In installation time, we delete this temporary directory, or inside the files anything we delete means what will be happen means you did not get successful installation, we get error. That is the meaning. So in Linux operating system, username is root, same process, same installation directory and everything. So, but in Linux, one important point is that, what is that important point means? In Windows, we want to open any folder means directly open we use. But in Linux, not like that. We want to use any folder means we want to take permission. Full permission is 777. I show that one, how to take permission of that particular folder and how we use, I show. So we want to take permission of that folder. Full permission is 777. In installation time, we want to take permission of that folder. Full permission is 777 in Linux OS. Okay, here clearly what is about SAP entity, what they're telling is clearly after extracting SWPM, in SWPM, SAP entity is there. By using that SAP entity, we want to open software provisioning manager. In Windows means we use administrator. In Linux means we want to use root only. In installation time, compulsory we don't use SID ADM account only. So in installing time, installation directory will be created in C drive program files. That installation directory name is SAP_install_install. We did not delete that folders files. We did not change that folder name files when installing time. Like that, temporary directory also will be created, temp like that. In installation time, we did not delete the temporary directories inside also, inside any files in temporary directory, or change the folder name of temporary directory inside files means we did not get successful installation. Until the complete of installation, we did not delete the installation directory. You keep all that one. So this is about, in Linux, we want to take permission of every folder by using permission 777. This is about SAP entity. SAP entity is one of the topic in that lesson. So nowadays, this one known it. In olden days, this topic is compulsory we want to learn. Why means so? Nowadays here we saw, we open SWPM here. We open SWPM. It is in browser. I open SWPM in browser. Once again, we want to SWPM means it will be open. Click yes. Click yes. Another one also open is possible. 2 SWPMs I open. Another one also is open is possible. Another one also open is possible. Because it is browser. In browser, so many SWPMs open is possible. But in previous olden days, it is not browser. When we open SWPM, it will not open in browser in previous olden days. It is like app. It is like app. On the time, after opening one SWPM, we want to open another SWPM, means we want to change the port numbers like that. So that's why nowadays, this topic will be dead. No need. No need this topic. Until here, no need. Until this year, no need. These topics will be done. So after learning SAP and ST, we want to go to troubleshooting with SAP and ST.